we can say that probability is favorable outcome divided by total outcome. Also, I take the example of dice. If dice is thrown, then we have 6 possible outcomes. Okay. If I want to find the probability of getting 5 on that, then how many 5s are there on a dice? Only one time. So total outcomes are 6, and that from 6 only one time 5 is there. So probability can be written as 1 by 6. Okay. Also, we can take example of tossed coin. If coin is tossed, then we have possible 2 outcome. It can have head or it can have tail. So possibility of having head, from the total 2 outcome, possibility of having head will be 1 by 2, because only one time head is there from the 2 times. And if we want to find the probability of having tail, then how many tails we have on a coin? Only one time. So from the total 2 outcomes, head or tail is one time and head is one time. So each probability can be 1 by 2. Okay. Now we will solve some example related to this. So we will start exercise 3.4. Question number 1. Tell whether the following is certain to happen. Impossible, can happen but not certain. Certain to happen means it is a true statement. Okay. Impossible means it is a false statement, and can happen but not certain means it may happen or may not happen. So first, you are older today than yesterday. So what is the statement? You are older today than yesterday. તમે ગઈકાલ કરતા આજે વધારે મોટા છો. Yes, we are 1 day older than yesterday. So it is certain to happen, means true statement. This is a true statement, so we can write certain to happen means it is true statement. A tossed coin will land heads up. If we toss a coin and it may heads up, so possibility is it may heads up or it may tails up. So it is not certain but may happen. So can happen but not certain. Can happen but it is not sure. Okay. Now next, a die when tossed shall lands up with the 8 on top. So is it possible to have a number 8 on dice? No, it is not possible. So it is impossible statement. Because number 8 is not on a dice, so it is impossible statement. The next traffic signal will be green. So from the traffic signal, we cannot say it is green or it may red or it may yellow. So it is certain, it is happen but it is not certain. So it is can happen but not certain. It is not always true that the next traffic signal will be green. Now next, tomorrow will be cloudy day. So it is not certain statement but can happen. So it may cloudy day or it may happen but not certain. It may cloudy day or it may sunny day, but we cannot tell it today that tomorrow it will be cloudy day or sunny day. Okay, so it may happen but not certain. Now question number 2. There are 6 marbles in a box with the number 1 to 6 on each. Here one box is there and there are 6 marbles in a box with the number 1 to 6. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? From the box we are drawing one marble. Okay. So in box there are 6 marble with number 1 to 6, means total possible outcome may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And from that, how many marble with number 2? Only one marble is there with number 2. So favorable outcome will be 1. So we can write possible outcome will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 possible outcomes. And from there, favorable outcome, that is 2, is only one time. So probability is written by 1 by 6. Now next, what is the probability of drawing marble with number 6? It is same as the previous one. Total outcomes are 6 and from that favorable outcome is 1, because marble with number 5 is only 1. So probability can be written as 1 by 6. Now question number 3. A coin is flipped to decide which team start the game. A coin is flipped means it is a toss to decide which team will start a game. What is the probability of your team will start a game? It may have two possibilities. If you select head, then probability of having head is 1 by 2. And if you select tail, then probability of having tail on a coin is 1 by 2. Why? Because total outcomes are 2. You can write total outcomes, that is head or tail, that is 2 outcomes. And from that, having head, that is only 1 time, and tail is also 1 time. So probability of having head or tail is 1 by 2. So probability of your team will start a game will be 1 by 2. If you decide head, then it is also 1 by 2, and if you decide tail, then it is also 1 by 2. Now let's take some extra example of probability. A bag has 30 marbles. In that 20 marbles are red and 10 marbles are blue. From the 30 marbles, 20 marbles are red and 10 marbles are blue. One marble is drawn out. Okay, we are picking up one marble from the bag. What is the probability of getting blue marble? So how many total outcomes are there? Total outcomes are 30, because there are total 30 marbles. But from 30, how many marbles are blue? You can say it is 10. So probability will be from total 30 marbles, 10 marbles are blue. So you can write it is 10 by 3, or you can cancel out 0, 0. So it is 1 by 3. Okay. So here probability of getting blue marble from total 30 marble is 10 by 30, or you can write 1 by 3. What is the probability of getting red marble? Now how many red marbles are here? Total 20 red marbles, and from 30 we are picking up the red marble. So probability can be written from total 30 marble, 20 marbles are red. So probability is 20 by 30. You can cancel out this. It is 2 by 2. Okay. A bag has 3 maths book, 5 English book and 4 science book. Find the probability of getting or picking up a maths book without saying in the bag, English book and science book. So first of all, what are the total books are here? So we find the total number of books, that is 3 plus 5 plus 4. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 4, 12. So total 12 books are there. From that, having the maths book, so probability of having maths book will be books are 3. So 3 by 12 is the probability of picking a maths book from the back. You can cancel out this. So it is 1 by 4. Or you can leave it up to 3 by 12. Having English book, so probability of having English book will be total English book are 5 and total books are 12. So from 12, 5 books are English, so probability is 5 by 12. Now probability of having science book is total science book are 4 from 12. So it is 4 by 12. So we can cancel out common factor. So it is 1 by 2. Okay. Now, sometime in exam this kind of question can be also asked. The experiment of drawing card with a diamond on it from 52 cards. We also play a game of the card. Okay. Carding game આપણે રમીએ છીએ. So on that this symbol says spade. This is called club. This is called heart and this is called diamond. So if we want to find the experiment of drawing a card with a diamond. Now how many cards have diamond shape? So from 52, 13 cards are of spade, 13 cards are of club, 13 cards are of heart and 13 cards are of diamonds. So having diamond on that, from 52 diamonds are 30. So probability will be returned from 52, 13 cards are of diamond. Okay, so this way you can find the probability. You can cut the common factor or you can leave it up to this. If you cut it, so this one by. Okay, so probability of having diamond from the 52 card it is 1 by 4.